what is CPA marketing? Have you tried advertising and it isn't working for you? Perhaps you've wasted sums of money hoping for a return, but your efforts have gone in vain. Well, it's time for you to try out a proven method of marketing, known as cost per action marketing. Welcome to the channel Power of Money. In this video, we'll discuss what cost per action marketing is, how to use it, and the benefits it offers to businesses of all sizes. Cost per action, CPA marketing, is a type of online advertising that allows you to earn money by getting people to take specific actions, such as filling out a form, subscribing to a newsletter, or making a purchase. Unlike other forms of online advertising, CPA marketing does not require you to pay for each ad click or impression. Instead, you only pay when someone completes the desired action. There are many different actions that can be tracked, but the most common ones include filling out a form, subscribing to a newsletter, or making a purchase. This makes it a go-to option for all businesses, including startups, small-scale or large-scale businesses. Use as a lead generation tool. There are many different ways to use CPA marketing, but one of the most effective is to use it as a lead generation tool. When used in this way, businesses can offer something of value in exchange for contact information. For example, a business might offer a free ebook in exchange for an email address. Once the lead has been generated, the business can then follow up with additional marketing messages. Offers high flexibility. CPA marketing also offers a high degree of flexibility, as businesses can choose what actions they would like to track and how much they are willing to pay for each action. For example, you could set up a daily budget and allocate it on different actions. This ensures that you only spend the amount you intend to do so and do not get charged extra. Targeted approach. It can also be used to target specific audiences, making it an effective tool for building relationships with potential customers. For example, if you want to sell skincare products, you could easily target females who will be your main target audience. If you're thinking about using CPA marketing to grow your business, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to choose the right offer. The offer should be something that is valuable to your target audience and that will incentivize them to take the desired action. Second, it's important to track results so that you can see what's working and what's not. Finally, it's important to test different offers and strategies to find the ones that work best for your business. With the right offer and tracking strategy, you can use CPA marketing to build relationships with potential customers and grow your business. By following these tips, you can ensure that your CPA marketing campaign is successful. Now that you understand what cost per action marketing is and how it works, you may be wondering how to get started. The first step is to find a reputable network that offers CPA marketing services. Once you've found a few networks that look promising, sign up for an account and start testing different offers. After you've found a few offers that work well for your business, you can start scaling up your campaigns to reach even more potential customers. With a little time and effort, you can use CPA marketing to efficiently grow your business. As you can see, CPA marketing is a powerful tool that offers businesses of all sizes a number of benefits. If you're looking for a more efficient way to generate leads and grow your business, consider using this type of marketing. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. If you're still on the fence about whether or not cost per action marketing is right for your business, let me summarize the benefits. CPA marketing is an efficient way to generate leads. You can customize offers to target specific audiences. CPA marketing is a flexible tool that can be used in a number of different ways. You can track results to see what's working and what isn't. CPA marketing is a great way to grow your business. Still not convinced? Why not give it a try? There's no risk involved, and you might just be surprised at how well CPA marketing works for your business. Still have questions about how CPA marketing works or whether it's right for your business? Leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. We'll be back with more videos. Until then, take care and stay tuned.